How to delete items from Google Drive without removing them from your device in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this simple step-by-step guide exactly how to delete files from Google Drive without losing the copy saved on your phone or computer. If you've been scared to hit delete because you don't want anything disappearing locally, this will fix it fast and keep your files safe every time. The first thing you need to know is that Google Drive only removes the cloud version of a file unless that file is stored inside a Drive Sync folder. So before deleting anything, you have to make sure the file isn't being synced. On your phone, open the Drive app, tap the file and open its details. If you see Available Offline, turn it off. This removes Drive's downloaded version but doesn't touch your original file saved elsewhere on your device. After that, the file is no longer tied to Drive's internal storage, which means deleting it won't affect your phone at all. Once offline access is disabled, tap the three dots again and choose Remove. This deletes only the cloud copy from your Drive account. Your device version stays exactly where it was because it's not synced through Drive anymore. If you want to double check, you can open your phone's file manager or gallery and you'll see your local copy still there. If you're on a computer, the idea is the same. Google Drive for Desktop syncs everything inside the dedicated Google Drive folder. So before deleting a file online, open your Drive folder on your computer and check where the file is stored. If it's inside the sync folder, simply drag it out to your Documents, Desktop, or any local folder you own. This breaks the sync connection. Then go to drive.google.com, delete the file from your drive, and your computer copy remains untouched. By following these steps, you can safely clear storage in Google Drive without losing the files saved on your device. It keeps your cloud organized while keeping your personal copies right where you need them.